In this video, I'm going to talk about what you should do if you can't make your mortgage payment due to coronavirus. I'm Eric Peterson, broker and owner of Copa Real Estate right here in Austin, Texas. Many homeowners are facing financial difficulties because of the coronavirus, losing a job or having your hours cut short. And so I wanted to just briefly talk with you about suggestions about what you should do right now. And so we haven't seen uniform approaches as far as like every lender and what they're going to be offering, and things are really kind of scattered around there. So first off, I want to talk about what you shouldn't do. The most important thing right now is what you shouldn't do, and that is burying your head in the sand, running and hiding, or ignoring any kind of letters or phone calls from your mortgage company. And here's why. Right now, there are going to be a lot of programs out there. There's a huge stimulus bill that was passed that's going to have some protection for some of the, hopefully many of the homeowners that have mortgages. And so you definitely don't want to ignore this. In fact, you want to get in the process of any type of options that are available for you as soon as possible before that money runs out. Okay. The second thing that you want to do is contact your servicer. That's the person that you make, or the company that you make your mortgage payments to, and find out what programs are available for you right now. So the reason why I can't tell you exactly is there's so many different types of mortgages and different servicers and different places where the loans are guaranteed. And so each one of those is going to have a different program as far as what's available to you. Now, the good news is what we're hearing is that you may not even need to be late on your mortgage in order to qualify for one of these payments. So that's why we're saying to contact them right now. Because let's say you can still make your April payment, but you don't think you're going to be able to make your May payment or maybe worried about that. You should still call that servicer right now and kind of get that process started before it's too late. There's going to be a lot of people understanding that why you're late on your mortgage right now. And so really want to encourage you to get going on that. So two terms that you might be hearing, or even if you talk with your mortgage servicer, are loan modification or forbearance. And here's what those two things mean and what the difference is. Loan modification is utilizing the existing mortgage company to refinance the debt or extend the terms of a loan. This may allow homeowners to catch up at a more affordable level. In the past, you had to prove that the lender that the reason for the default, what they call an RFD, has been resolved. So in other words, that would mean if you'd lost your job, that you've already got a new job. What we've heard right now is lenders may be more lenient about that. Forbearance, we're hearing more about a forbearance right now, so this means that the lender may be able to arrange a repayment plan based on the homeowner's financial situation. The lender may be able to provide a temporary payment reduction or suspension of payments. Typically, lenders have required the owner has fixed the problem, but again, that may not be required in this situation, and what we're hearing is that's not going to be required. With a forbearance, payments are not forgiven, they're just added on to the end of the loan. Now, something that you want to remember in either of these scenarios is that so far we haven't heard anything from the tax agencies as far as your city taxes, your school taxes, any kind of property taxes. And so keep that in mind that at least for me, a huge portion of my mortgage payment is property taxes. And so even if you can have a forbearance and delaying making a mortgage payment for 3 months, keep in mind that that tax bill is still going to be due at the end of the year. So make sure that you're planning for that as well. Can you call us? Absolutely. So here's the thing is, for about 15 years, I was a mortgage broker. It's not a focus of our business today, but I do have a good understanding of the mortgage business, and I am following this very carefully just because I already understand that side of the business and to help any of our clients that might have some trouble. I can't help you negotiate anything with your lender, but I may be able to explain to you what some of your options are as we go along, or even try to explain what the lender, what your mortgage servicer is telling you. So if you have any questions about that, feel free to reach out, send me a direct message, shoot me an email, or give me a call, text directly with all confidentiality at 512-791-7473. Thanks for watching. We will get through this, and take care.